Hi, I'm Rhiannon Schmid. You can call me Ray if that's easier. Welcome to my company and website, stainedglasswindows.com. Whether you're looking for glass for your door, side lights, transom, windows, cabinets, furniture, pretty much anything, that's what we specialize in. Please take a look at our galleries for ideas. In all of our galleries, we have a picture of a window and under there an item number, a size, and a price. It is very rare that we ever make any window to that size, so we are definitely not limited to those sizes. What most people do is browse our galleries, see something that catches their eye, and then we can give you a price quote on making that pattern in your size. We have a couple of in-house designers that are great artists, and so what they'll do is they'll take the elements from the window design that you like and completely redraw the pattern to look perfect in your size. Whether you want the window to be an interior piece or if you need the window to be the full exterior window, we do it all. So we can do stained glass, seal it between two pieces of tempered glass, a triple paned sealed insulated unit to be trimmed into place, or we can put it into an exterior window frame, and that would be for new construction, remodels, additions, or replacing older windows. We also do stained glass to install as a minimal install. So if you have an existing window in place, we can create the stained glass to just mount into that window opening. Every window has a lip, ledge, or the full window sill. So leaving the existing window there, having us make the stained glass to fill that opening, mounting it in, super easy to do. It looks fabulous. If you would like to browse our portfolio of past projects, you'll see lots of photos that our customers have sent us from all over the country of their windows once they're installed. Whether you want to be able to see through the window, to distort a little bit, or whether you want it for total privacy, we will work with you, make it very easy to get you exactly what you want. Stained glass is absolutely great for making something that looks absolutely beautiful, allows light to come in, and can give you privacy too. We make stained glass for any shape and size, whether it's rectangular, square, with an arch on the top, trapezoidal, it doesn't matter. We can do virtually any design to look great in whatever size you need. Even though we're not right next door, we will work with you to make it super easy. Our designers will draw the pattern, mock it up in our CAD program with full glass color and texture, and we can email back and forth making any revisions or changes until we've got the perfect pattern for your window.